today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, everyone is asking me right now, what the heck is happening to Bitcoin? This is the question I want to answer today. And dear ladies and gentlemen, I can tell you one thing. When I'm done with you today, you will have a different view on Bitcoin. And I was posting yesterday already, let me go into it here, my Bitcoin trade, my Ethereum trade, the Bitcoin trade right now raking in pretty much on the point exactly $1.7 million in a profit. The Ethereum trade $100,000 in a profit. So in total, we are talking about $1.8 million in a profit on these two specific trades. And now the question is, when am I finally going to close this trade? What is the price target? And with Bitcoin hitting $36,000, actually the exact price target I was talking about earlier, are we also going to hit 40,000 or are we going to face a rejection beforehand? Let's talk about that. I was posting yesterday, as I already said, like 13 hours ago, I was posting this video here, this live stream, and it was a lot of people tuning in, and I was talking about, of course, the moment we are breaking 32,000, we are gonna go bananas. I mean, I told you. By the way, if you wanna trade as well, down below, click register deposit, $30,000 bonus for free by clicking the link in the pinned comment in the video description. For now, I want to talk about what the heck is happening. And of course, I talked about, I think, what day is today? I think like 8-9 days ago, I said if Bitcoin, and that was the last Monday, breaks 27,000 on Monday, we are going to hit 30,000 very quickly and retest this resistance. Then I said, okay, now after we hit that within that week, just exactly as we were expecting that, I said if Bitcoin now breaks 32,000, we are going to shoot up to 36,000 very quickly. And it's happening even quicker than I expected. Now I am telling you, with a high degree of certainty, we can hit 40,000, 39, 40, 41,000 US dollars rather quickly as well. Now we have to see what has to happen for this prophecy or the prediction to be fulfilled. Because I can tell you, buying Bitcoin right now might be not the best idea. Buying Bitcoin at 27,000 when I told you, that was probably a very good idea. And also trading the break of 32,000 was also not a bad idea. But now Bitcoin is coming just way too close, and let me actually show you to the price targets, especially here from this, for example, from this W pattern. If you are pulling this price target, and let's take the most conservative one here, right? Let's just take the candle closest. You can see we basically almost hit it. I mean, really, this would not be worth trading for me. If you miss out on the trade, lean back and wait for a second. Now let's see what has to happen for us to actually have more upside for Bitcoin towards the upside. So first of all, you can see here on the EMA ribbon that we are getting this, we got this bullish flip, and Bitcoin is now tilting towards the upside. So we can see here this beautiful EMA ribbon once again, as every single time in every single bull market, coming to perfect fruition here. Look at this. Every single time we are getting this EMA ribbon flip on the weekly. You can see it also right here. That was the most perfect one in 2016. Afterwards, it's usually almost up only. So I'm not telling you it's up only again. I am not telling you we are not going to retest the previous support resistance, which is now turning into support again. What I am telling you, however, is most likely we are not going to see price levels south of 30,000 again. Most likely. There are black swan events, there are unforeseeable things, but on the perspective of probabilities, this has become very unlikely for Bitcoin. Now, another reason why I was predicting 36,000 US dollars was the Fibonacci extension levels. Going here into it, I mean, guys, you literally cannot make this up. I mean, we perfectly hit this price target. That is just completely insane. That is the index chart. On the Bybit chart, for example, we hit it on the dollar amount perfectly. And of course, that is another indication to say just maybe right now is not the exact moment to enter a long position after Bitcoin pumped 20% within a day. Lean back, relax and wait for the next opportunity to come. I am personally staying in these trades. These trades here, I am staying in them, but I am waiting for Bitcoin to break the previous high, to look out for higher price targets, and there I'm talking about 39, 40,000 US dollars. Until this is not happening, don't freak out, enjoy the gains of your hodling portfolio, but don't rush into crazy trades. What you can do, however, already is go down below, and in the pinned comment you can already claim the bonus, sit on it, and wait until the time comes. And I can tell you one thing, I'm gonna be here and I'm gonna make the next video when I think it's time. Now it's time to celebrate. Now it's time to finally enjoy Bitcoin breaking a 1.5 years high. Bitcoin finally breaking this 32,000 US dollar resistance, which is something we've all been waiting for ages. Finally, the boring times are over, and hopefully very good times to come in the next few weeks. Thank you so much for liking. Thank you so much for subscribing, for sharing the video. I truly appreciate it. You are a force for good, and we are going to see each other very soon at the next one of Mmcrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.